In this video, we are going to see about linked list implementation of queue. Okay, so it's a dynamic implementation since we are using the linked list. Now, I'm going to implement this using a structure. So, I have created a structure called structure name is node, and inside this I'm having two fields. We have already seen about this data field and link field, and I have created a pointer variable for this structure node. Okay, now inside void main, using switch cases, just call these operations enqueue, dequeue and display. We are now going to see about these three operations, how these things happen. So in a queue, normally if you are implementing using linked list, the first node address will be held by the friend pointer, and the last node's address will be held by the rear pointer. So you just create two pointers here, star friend and star rear. These two pointers are capable of holding the address of a structure. Okay, yes. Now for enqueue operation, what you have to do first, I have to create a temporary variable because I am going to create a new node. I am going to insert a new node, so I want to create a new pointer variable temp. So I have created here star temp. I am going to allocate memory for that. Temp equal to struct node star malloc size of struct node. So I have allocated the memory for that. So I have created a node and I have allocated some memory for that. Okay, now first case is while you are inserting, if there is no element in the queue, that is the queue is empty. So first condition is if the queue is empty, how I am going to insert the node. So if the queue is empty, we already know that the status of the two pointers front and rear will be if front is equal to null. That is, if the friend pointer is null, then it denotes that here if there is any node, the friend pointer value will be that node's address. But if the friend pointer is null, then it denotes that the queue is empty. So if the friend is equal to null means what you have to do is, so friend equal to rear equal to temp. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, the front is also null, the rear is also null. I'm creating a new node temp. So first I have to insert the data for this temp. So just get those data here. That is gets in scanf %d ampersand data. Yes. Now I have created a node and put it in the temp. Put like temp of data equal to value. Yes. So put it like temp of data equal to, if I my variable name is data, in temp of data just put the data here. So here I have got the value 10, I have put it in temp of data and put the null value in the temp of link. So in temp of link put the null value. Okay, so I have completed the nodes values. Now I want to create a pointer from the front to the new node created and rear to the new node created. So the value should be here 200 and here also it should be 200, because both is, since there is only one node, both pointer points to that node. So I want to change this to 200 and this to 200. So I am putting the temp value to both. So front is equal to rear is equal to temp. That is, temp value is assigned to rear and that rear value is assigned to temp. So 200 is assigned to both. You can also write like front equal to temp and rear equal to temp. Okay, so this condition this will be done when there is when the queue is empty, there is no node. Okay, suppose if there is already few nodes and I want to insert a new item. Okay, so here in a linked list, how in queue, how the element is inserted, always the element is inserted at the last. In the last video we have seen if I try to insert any item, I have inserted those items at the last. If I want to delete any item, I have deleted from the first. Yes. Now, so here I want to insert, so that item will be inserted at the last. So what are the changes I have to do here? In the else part, that is if it has some elements. In the if part we have seen if the queue is empty. Here in the else part I am writing the condition for if it has already some data. Now, so I have to create a temp and I have to put the data part and I have to put the null also. So those things will be like temp of data equal to data and temp of link will be null. Those things we have done already. So now what are the changes I have to do with these pointers means, now this null should be replaced with 400. is this 400 because this node should be pointing to the last node. So now this is not the last node. The node I'm going to insert will be the last node now rear pointer also should be updated to 400 because rear pointer always points to the lastly inserted node. So I'm not having this link now. I should make it the 300 to 400. So this rear will be pointing to the new node. So these are the two changes I have to put. So what are the two changes is I have to put this temp value. I have to put the address of the temp in the rear's value and also rear's next field. Rear's next is this and rear is this. So I want to put the temp value to both. That is rear's link value is also temp and rear value is also temp. Okay, that's all. So these are the two ways of inserting. Now void dequeue. Now I want to dequeue an element. That is I want to delete an element. So we have already seen we'll be deleting the element in the queue from the front. Okay, we are inserting from the rear side and we have to delete from the front side. So suppose I'm having a linked list like this, queue like this, the front here 100 200 rear. So now I want to delete this item. The first insert item was 100. Now I want to delete this 100. Okay, so what are the changes I have to do? First I have to create a temp pointer. That temp pointer should also point to this node and so that it will be having the address 100. Now I want to make this 100 to 200, that is the next node, so that reference will be to the front will be pointing to the second node, not the first node. So this will be dereferenced. Now I can free this temp. Yes, I can make free of temp because I want to deallocate the memory. So what are the changes I have to do now is first I have to create a temp variable. So for the temp variable I have to assign the value of the front, so it will be pointing to the first node. Then I have to convert the value of first node to the address of the second node. Then so it will be creating a reference, so I can free this node, right? So these are the things I have to do. First before deleting an item, we have to check a condition that whether the queue is already empty or not. So if the queue is empty, we can't able to delete any item there. Yes. So first check that condition. If front is equal to null, already the queue is empty. So we can't delete any item there. So queue is empty. Now else part. So in else part I am going to do these changes. So temp, create a pointer variable temp, struct node start temp. Yes. So temp equal to front. So now temp value will be front value. Front is 100. So temp will be also be 100. So it is pointing to here. Now I want to change the value of front. So front value will be now front of next. Front of next. So front of next is 200. That 200 will be stored here, 200. Now it will be pointing to the second node. Now I can free the temp. So free temp. Okay. So these are the three things I have to do for deleting a node. Yes. So be clear, in queue the insertion happens at the rear end and the deletions happens at the front end. So that is, it is similar to inserting at the last and deleting at the beginning. Now how can I display the items? So void display. Now so create a temp pointer, assign the front value to the temp pointer. Yes. Now same conditions as we have seen before, while temp is not equal to null. Yes. Printf percentage d temp of data. I am printing the temp of data one by one. Temp of data, and I am moving the temp pointer temp equal to temp of next. That's all. Yes. So initially I am making the temp pointer to point to the front. So 100. Now I am checking whether temp is not equal to null. No, temp is not equal to null. It is 100. So I am printing the value. Print of percentage temp of data. I am printing the data of this. The data of this is 10. So 10 will be printed. Again I am making temp equal to temp of next. So temp of next is 200. So I am making this as 200. So it points to the next node. Now this is also not equal to null, so it prints the temp data. So 20 will be printed. Now temp equal to temp of next, so temp of next is null, so null will be updated here. I can check whether temp not equal to null. Yes, temp is null now, so this loop exit, it comes out, it prints the values and comes out. Thank you.